It's a challenge to roam exactly in the dark, but yes, the wind is blowing. I have the kitchen window. I'm not sure if you can see it right here. So the kitchen window is right here. It's open, and there's a lot of good wind that is blowing. That's the reason my house actually has the ventilation. Let me get you the light and show you exactly how this threaded day is been. What's the experience of this beautiful black day in my life. I have this beautiful LED light that I've got, and you can see the house is actually in a dark. So if you see, if I put off these lights, that's exactly what's the situation of the hall at the moment is. There's a small little candle that I was actually watching a movie. I have the boom box, so I'll put on the light back again. So I have the boom box, which is actually a savior for me. So the boom box is right there, so it actually charges my phone, and I don't need to worry about what means my mobile charging and stuff. But unfortunately, what has happened right now is the charging of the boombox has gone completely. It is dead right now. So I am not sure. I have the power bank, of course, so I'm going to go ahead and then switch on to the power bank, but my phone is on 80%. So now it's time to actually go ahead and cook in this dark. This is the first time in my life I'm really cooking in the dark. As you know, I've started cooking because I stay alone and my parents are in Mumbai. So this is going to be a challenge, cooking in the dark. I'm trying to make something very special to Goans, and it's one of my favorite. If you've heard it, it's called chorisa. The sausages, Goan sausages. That's basically what's going to be on my dinner plate today. So what we would need for the cooking is basically some potatoes, some onions, and the sausages. That's it. That's pretty much how simple it is. So you can see my DIY setup. This is the candle with the stand, and I have the vessel right here ready. So let's go ahead and do some little bit of cooking. I'm going to show you a small bit of it because it's very difficult to actually vlog in the night, because I'm basically doing a lot of stuff and then concentrating on the camera as well. So let's go ahead and do that for you. So that's the experience of actually cooking in the dark. You cannot see me, but yes, I'm going to turn on the light for you at the moment and show you what I'm cooking as well. So let me put on the light for you. So yes, so that's basically I've almost done with the cooking. It is basically now I will leave it to actually boil, and the potatoes to actually boil enough. But otherwise I'll show you how it looks at the moment. Let's go ahead and taste it as well. So it's right here. So this is called the chorisa, okay, what they call the pork chorisa. So I've already added onions, potatoes, and the sausages. So let me go ahead and check if it's cooked. The potatoes need to cook a little more, so I'll leave it on a small slight flame, as you see, and I think then it should be done. So it's time to go ahead and watch this beautiful series that I'm watching on Netflix. It's called Walking Dead. I've not been able to complete it because it has around 14 to 15 episodes. It's time to go ahead and blow this candle because I'm moving to the hall now. So yes, people may be wondering how this guy has got light in his house, because all the neighbors are looking at each other's windows and wanting to know if the lights come back or no. So I'm actually over here on my small little table, coffee table. I was watching, you can see I'm watching the Netflix series right here, and I have a small little candle right there. Now the misery to add up to this is basically, yes, there is no service also. So if you see on the phone at the moment, there is no service. So I'm not sure how the towers also are down. Could be maybe there is some issue with the towers as well. But from around 5:54 something, the services went, because it was Sunday and my mom was basically behind me to hear mass, and I was like, okay, let's go ahead and hear mass because I've not done it last Sunday. I missed it, and I was on the verge of actually listening to mass, and I was midway, and unfortunately the service went, the network went. So I'm here actually lucky that I was, someone had told me download your web series, because I do not have Wi-Fi in Goa, and I go to my uncle's place to actually download the episodes. And lucky I did that, and that's the reason I'm able to actually do some time pass on my phone. Well, as the JBL has gone dead because it charged my phone, and my phone is on 80% right now. So the JBL is gone dead. So I have my AirPods. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this movie on the earpods. So yes, the very important thing that I would like to share with you is how I overcame this black day in my life. So yes, we always do, one thing is we always charge our phones when it is at 20%, 10%, or we charge our power banks when it is low. But what a habit I have is every day I charge my power bank, and of course I charge my phone. So that has actually helped me a lot. So today if you go to see, my power bank is at 96%. So if you see it right here, it is at 96%. So I am grateful that this 20,000 mAh power bank will actually give me a good backup. That's the reason you see my phone still running. So that's the flash. So I forgot to put up the flash. So my advice to everybody is, it's like man versus wild. You never know when you are actually needed to actually go ahead and charge and keep your backups ready. Well, as this is going to be a beautiful night, one night that I would always remember. Of course, as everyone says, these are the days that we will definitely remember always. The Corona days, the COVID days, losing someone during these years. 2020 to 2021 has been very bad for a lot of us. Of course, this is how life goes on, and I would say we actually come out winners, and we get used to how to actually overcome these small kind of problems in our life, and behind every problem there's a solution. When we are so used to actually having light being part of your day, especially during the mornings you have the sun, and in the night you have your lights at home. Light plays a very important role into our lives, but at times darkness also can actually play a very important role and makes a lot of challenge, because when you have little darkness in your life, that's when you realize how important brightness is. So it's time to serve myself. This is one of my favorite dishes, especially my best friends and everyone from Goa, or my mom as well knows, or even my sister knows that I would do anything to actually have chorizo or sausages even throughout the day. So I made actually 2 portions, so that would be actually suffice for the day tomorrow. So yes, it's dinner time, and it's really dark. I just have a candle to sit with, and I should enjoy my dinner. Here you go. I'm all set to have my dinner. When your mom makes food, you always complain there's a lot of salt, there's less salt. But when you make food, you don't complain. Why? Because you've made it. So always understand that whoever makes it, whether it's your wife tomorrow, if it's your mother, never put them down. Politely tell them it tastes better, but I think you could add a little more of salt and it would taste much more better. And trust me, they will love what you say, rather than saying, oh, there's less salt, you should put more salt. So let's go ahead and enjoy this dinner. So I'm done washing the vessels also. Almost time to retire, but let's see. I'm hoping this light comes in, because of course it's going to be difficult to actually sleep. A very good morning to you guys. Yes, today is day 2 of the Black Day, and today is a Monday, so I'm not sure. I've got to know from the neighbors that the light's not going to be here for another 2 more days because there's a very big line cut. There are trees fallen down, and there is a lot of places where electricity main hubs are actually damaged. So today is going to be a very challenging day because the boombox is off. My power bank also is on around 64% left. The phones are charged, but unfortunately I am not being able to get network as I showed you yesterday. So I'm going to go and see by going to my uncle's house and seeing if he has light or anything else that I can actually do to actually get the network back. Let's see. Let's try it out. Or if it's only me, or it's basically with every mobile provider. So I finally made it out from the dark day. Yes, I have light now, and actually I'm in my uncle's house. The ordeal was such that I had this afternoon, I'll leave you a picture of how exactly I slept, because I was sleeping in the kitchen. As you can see, I put the mattress down because when you opened the window of the kitchen there was much more breeze blowing, so I thought why not get my sleep that I lost. And I slept from 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And then in the evening I heard my neighbor saying that the neighboring village has got their lights. That's basically where my uncle stays. So I grabbed everything from my freezer and everything because I was not sure if the cold cuts and stuff that I have in my freezer will get spoiled or not. I grabbed everything and I ran to my uncle's house. I do not have network still on my Jio phone. There's a problem with the Jio network since yesterday, and that's the reason I was unable to get in touch with most of my loved ones. Thank you so much to all those guys who were actually curious to know what exactly happened to me and actually were praying that I'm safe. Well, this is Mumbaikar Boy. This is the Black Day in my life. I'm sure you might have had something similar in your life, or if you've not, there are few tips that I have actually left in this video. I hope you go ahead and follow them. They would come handy to you. And if there's any questions or anything that you would like to let me know, please leave it down in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. If you've not subscribed to the channel and you've not known about the channel, it's time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And to many such videos coming in for all the craziness that happens in my lifestyle as well. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying, see you on the next video. Bye-bye. So that's the view from my uncle's house. You can see it right here.